Hey guys, welcome back to my musings channel. Thanks for showing such positive response to my previous video. In this episode, I'll be touching on a slightly emotional topic, memories. Memories can either be feelings or events that give meaning to your life. All your passions, all your dreams, all your mistakes, all your experiences lead up to the formation of these memories. Pictures can be replaced. Physical objects holding personal value can be replaced. But memories stay with you forever. Memories can either be sad or joyful. Sad memories are those events when you feel hurt. Maybe you got rejected for an opportunity you were grinding your ass out. Maybe someone broke your heart. Maybe you lost a loved one. Maybe you couldn't meet up to your own expectations. I'm a firm believer of the quote, it's fine to celebrate success, but it's more important to heed the lessons of failure. And these lessons cannot be taught on Zoom calls or in classroom sessions. They have to be experienced. And when these experiences stand out, they create an impact in your life. It probably can be a moment when you feel completely shattered, thus leading this experience to get etched as a sad memory in your brain. And then there are those happy and joyful memories. The memories which make you want to live more of your life, just to experience life and create more memories like this. These can be the major spotlight moments in your life, the moments you have worked for a long duration to achieve a particular end result. This is a positive memory because it is a product of your hard work. Then there are the unexpected memories, which I consider the best kind of memories to be honest. Why is it that an unplanned trip turns out to be the most fun trip? Why is it that you always bond with your close friends on minuscule matters? Why is it that every Indian who watches Ye Jawani Hai Diwani and Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara dreams of themselves playing the role of characters portrayed by the actors? It is because we all want this without expecting something in return during these incidents. We all want to live this drama without the fear of failing or of any consequences. Why is it that in the movie Chechore and Three Idiots, we all connect instantly with the characters? It is because we all do similar things that are possible at our scale. Some things in resemblance to the movies which are made to make people understand that happy memories is the most important characteristic of a happy life. Then there are the romantic memories. The first time you understood what it felt like to have a crush. The first time you held their hand. The first time you kissed them. The time you were up all night to talk to them. Your bunking of classes. The hiding of your supposed love from your parents and friends. We all get a kick out of it. And that is what makes them happy memories. But growing up in this modern world has forced us to compromise on experiencing incidents which you can hold as a memory in the future. It's because now everyone has an opinion to share. Everyone judges, if not directly, then definitely indirectly. Because of this fear, we fear the consequences of our actions. And this fear stops you from experiencing the joy of life. I've come across this phrase quite often that in the end, you only regret the thing you didn't do. And I choose to live by this quote till my last breath. I know it's difficult to face the fear because I myself fear the judgment. But we only need to break that one barrier which puts us out of the bubble of our comfort zone. Like when in Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, Ritik is chained up by expectations from himself and others, which he is not able to get out of until he realizes that he has the power to do so if he wishes to do so. He wasn't able to live life until he actually experienced how beautiful and fun life can be if you allow yourself to see it. So come out of the closet. Go and ask the person you daydream about. Go put in the hard work for your passion. Go take risks. Go out and just do it. Risk everything and live to create all kinds of memories. If you liked this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, or whatever is applicable to the platform you choose to listen this on. Stay tuned for the next episode. Till then, tata, bye bye, sayonara.